good.
Cortez?
I just don't like how like they stick to the bowl and get soggy. But
Yeah.
To be honest with you, I have no comment for that one.
I'll put them in B tier. Oh, or B or A.
Oh, Fruity Pebbles.
Yeah,
I'm like,
Fruity
what the, bro,
Pebbles.
them little
Yeah.
shits. Oh, no. It's like, cause look, I like them, but like, I hate the fact that they get so soggy.
they do
so
get
fucking-
super
They get
soggy.
And like, it just ruins.
When you eat
the
them
taste.
quick, they're good.
Yeah.
But if you
But-
literally let that shit set out for like 2 extra minutes,
That shit gets
Nah.
so soggy. It's just, ugh. It's fucking gross.
Fruit Loops.
Fruit Loops.
Yeah, I mess with Fruit Loops.
Oh, right here.
What do y'all think? A?
I think they're better than Fruity Pebbles.
Yeah, I agree.
Let's see.
Rice Krispies.
Rice Krispies. Whoa, I cannot see it. Oh, okay, Rice Krispies.
Oh, those frosted Krispies?
Oh, that's frosted. I see the regular ones.
Rice Krispies is like the most, next to Cheerios, the most versatile cereal, bro. Cause you could put sugar in that shit. You could
True.
put it made Rice Krispie treats, you know, and you can make your own Rice Krispie treats, and they're actually really easy to replicate and make your own. So I think they're a pretty damn good cereal. Not gonna lie. Like they're like, if you're just trying to get some, if you're just trying to eat some breakfast and go to school, it's a good cereal to eat because it's not too much. You're not gonna have. They're not gonna get bad if you leave them bad out in the milk too long.
Mm-hmm.
I think they're pretty A tier. Not gonna cap.
Okay.
Cause like
I have no comment on it.
Yeah, me either. I'm like, I haven't had that shit in a while. Honey
Frosted
Smacks
Flakes.
need to be, if Honey Smacks is here, bro, that shit needs to be F tier ASAP.
Frosted Flakes. I love Frosted.
Frosted Flakes actually might be the best cereal, bro.
You guys are fucking
I
tripping,
knew he was
bro.
gonna say
You guys are
that.
fucking
Bro,
There's
okay.
no fucking way that you
Yes,
can
it
say
is S tier.
You guys are
it
tripping.
might actually be S tier. It's just
they're
good.
fucking good.
It's like it's good enough to be a dessert. Like you would.
They're yes. What do you mean? What do you mean?
You dead ass.
Yes, Frosted Flakes is good.
Bryce.
Well, what's wrong with them? The sogginess and in the milk?
Bro, everything, that shit's ass. That
What?
shit's not good,
That
bro.
tastes
It don't
so
taste good.
Yo, bitch!
It
Yo,
don't
bitch!
look good.
Yo,
It don't
bitch!
fucking... It gets soggy.
Okay, I agree.
fucking-
They look jagged as hell, but they taste super good.
No, they don't.
Yes, they
They
do.
fucking taste ass.
No, they-
And y'all putting it S tier.
Okay, put it in A, bro.
You
Put it
fucking
in
down
there.
with that shit? Even that's a stretch.
No, it's
Bro,
not.
I need a fucking... Oh my gosh. Bro, that's fucking bullshit. Like,
It's
what?
Frosted Flakes.
They're just good.
No, they're not.
They literally are just
Those are
good.
literal shit. You guys have some weird taste buds, bro.
Ah, that's just the common consensus.
Nah, bro. Y'all are
Everyone thinks they're
tweaking,
S tier.
bro. Tweaking. Oh my god, it's fucking flakes. Holy shit.
Bro, you. Bro,
I'm a fucking crackhead.
it's A, bro.
Fucking
Dude, you.
chigaboos.
What's the next one?
You're
This
weird,
is why we
bro.
had slavery. Cause you niggas
Hold up,
fucking
bro.
choose some bullshit like this.
Hold up, bro. Hold up.
You don't like Raisin Bran? Raisin Bran's
I
fire.
hate Raisin Bran.
Raisin Bran is so good.
Cortez, stop throwing your hat, bro.
Raisin Bran's good. Have you ever had it? It's fucking delicious. Raisin Bran's great.
Raisin Bran.
No! No! Nobody likes raisins! Bro, who eats raisins?
Raisins are
That's
delicious.
dried fucking great!
They taste so good. It's nature's candy. It's nature's candy.
It's nature's cat.
This nigga said, I like Bryce,
Raisins are good.
Bryce, the
I-
disrespect. The fucking disrespect. The fucking disrespect.
Lucky Charms. What about Lucky Charms? What about Lucky Charms?
Lucky Charms are fire.
No, they're not.
What do you mean, Cortez?
Who the fuck said I'm gonna eat some Lucky Charms, bro? That's just fucking
All right,
sugar.
we'll heal you out. We'll heal you out. Dude, that son looks like a damn pedophile, bro.
He giving them raisins.
Janelle be lit. Janelle's into that shit. Hey, join the stream, bro. Join the stream. Just okay. Put Fruit Loops at S tier, bro.
No, I'm not about to get peer pressure. No, I don't care what they say. Put that back to A.
love Fruit
If you don't
Loops.
put both those, no, nothing has been S tier yet. Bro, if you don't put those back down to A, you guys are tripping. You have no taste in cereal. Put it back down to A. Tripping. You don't want to get peer pressure. No, nothing has been S tier yet.
Mascot? Y'all have a fucking toucan as your mascot, bro.
No, Bryce, that's not no.
These are so good.
No,
These
nothing
are
has
so
been S
fucking
tier
good.
yet. If you want to put something
What's
S
S tier?
fucking Cheerios. Cheerios is
Okay,
S
I
tier.
agree. I agree.
But those are garbage. Okay, look, it's not even garbage, but it's not S tier.
Look at
Oh, the regular right here.
I put Lucky Charms at A tier.
No!
Lucky Charms are some heat, nigga.
The marshmallows are so good.
You don't quit playing, put that shit C tier, bro. That's
You're
low.
gonna DDoS us?
No! Why are you putting everything? No! Bro, there's no reason. They shouldn't even be A tier. That joke's garbage. Who has marshmallows for breakfast? Exactly, they're not good. It's candy. You were having candy for breakfast.
Put it at B tier.
Yeah, okay, you would.
Alright, fine. No. Okay. Let's think about it like this. Put it at C tier. Unfortunately.
Nah. It's at least B tier. I'll give it that.
Okay, put it B. Put it B.
It's at least B.
We're not moving Applejacks, bro.
That's so black, bro. That is so fucking. Ah, that's so trash.
Hey, what about Cinnamon Toast
Applejack is
Crunch?
garbage.
Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Okay, what about that?
Make a
Z,
tier
make
for
it a Z
Apple
tier.
Jacks.
Put it
Make a
Z.
tier for Applejack.
Bro, there's no. That's odd, bro. There's no way.
Ikenna, you eat Lucio O's, bro. Hey, this is Bryce's tier list.
Hey, this is both our tier
This is
lists.
Bryce's tier
No,
list.
condone
This
this.
is both our
This
tier
is
lists.
Bryce's tier list.
Nah, this is me and Tim combined.
I'm the
haven't-
only one that don't
Hey,
like the Applejack.
I haven't bought a box of Apple Jacks in 7 years, bro.
Yes, you picked it.
And it was good 7 years ago, so I'm gonna put it. Just remove the Apple Jacks.
Bro, you don't
Remove-
take Applejacks out of there.
Just remove Apple Jacks altogether, bro. Facts. Where is Raisin Bran?
No.
It's right there.
Bro.
Raisin Bran.
Bro, no.
No!
Are you being
Bryce!
I'm done.
No! You're a demon, bro. You're a demon. Wait. No. Cortez, why don't we go into this nigga's kitchen right now? and
No,
see this
there's
shit?
no cereal down there.
Okay, I was about to say. Okay, put.
You sit around and eat popcorn every fucking night.
Put Cookie Crisp at D.
This one?
No, Cookie Crisp right there. It's next to Count Dracula.
You are fucking. Bro,
Thank you!
you're a fucking black card. You're not black.
Raisins are fucking good!
No, bro, no black dude eats some fucking. I'm Bryce. I'm sorry, but like Raisin Bran. For cereal?
I think raisins are fucking delicious.
But you like raisins with your cereal.
Because raisins are
No,
Facts.
they're not. Who eats raisins? Nobody eats. Bro, oh my.
Raisins are fucking delicious.
No, they're not.
Yes,
You
they
can eat
are.
raisins, bro. Bro. I bet you Janelle eats cashews in her cereal, bro.
Okay, that's disgusting, but with this list.
I'm just saying, Bryce, that Raisin Bran placement is gross.
I like it.
Oh god.
Y'all taste buds are fucked up.
We'll do another